Hey guys, it's Julie, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super healthy yet surprisingly hearty Chipotle sweet potato chili. This is actually a recipe from my first book, Superfood Kitchen, which has 100 delicious, nutrient-dense recipes inside, and you can find on our website at luminberry.com or wherever books are sold. This chili is one of the most popular recipes in the book, and for good reason. Packed with smoky, slightly spicy flavor, this chili is so action-packed with nutrition. And you'd never guess what superfood secret I used to up the nutrition that much further. Don't worry, I'll show you in a minute. Also, I like to serve this chili with a luscious avocado sour cream that's dairy-free and takes just minutes to make. I'll show you how to make that as well. So please be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and get the full recipe at luminberry.com. All right, I hope you're hungry because now it's time to fire up the stove and make some truly epic chili. We'll start by chopping some fresh tomatoes into dice, and then transfer 4 cups of them to a blender, reserving the rest. We'll blend these into a chunky puree and then set them aside. Next, we'll prep some aromatic vegetables by chopping up some onion. We'll also mince some garlic, dice some celery, and dice a couple of Anaheim peppers, which are pretty mild. Lastly, we'll peel a couple of sweet potatoes and chop them into dice. Now that we're ready to cook, we'll warm a large pot over medium-high heat and add some coconut oil. Once the oil's melted, we'll add in the onion first and saute for a few minutes until it's softened. Then we'll add our minced garlic, celery, peppers, and sweet potatoes, along with the chopped tomatoes we reserved. And we'll saute this for about another 5 minutes. Now that the tomatoes are a bit more broken down, we'll add the tomato puree we blended, along with some fresh thyme and some chipotle powder. We'll also add some cooked black beans, some vegetable broth, and we'll season with a little salt. For our superfood secret, we'll also add some dried wakame, which is a seaweed that adds minerals and flavor and helps make the beans much more digestion-friendly. We'll bring the mixture to a boil, cover the pot, and reduce the heat to low so it can simmer for 45 minutes. At this stage, it's good to taste the chili and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding a bit more salt if desired, and then let the chili continue to simmer over low heat for another 15 minutes, adding a little extra water if necessary. While the chili is in its final stage of cooking, we can make a quick avocado sour cream in a mini blender to go along with it. We'll just add some water and raw cashews and blend them together until very smooth. Then we'll use a whole fresh avocado and spoon it into the mixture. And we'll add some fresh lime juice and some salt. And blend this until it forms a kind of whipped sour cream. When ready to enjoy your meal, transfer the hot chili to serving bowls and top with your favorite accoutrements, like our simple yet deluxe avocado sour cream. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. Did you love this video? Give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.